Hey, what's up guys? Thanks for checking out the video. We're gonna head out to Lake Erie again, check out some of the docks, some of the boat launches, and see what everything's looking like. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button below, and we're gonna go check some out. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to the video. Thanks for checking in. Make sure you hit that subscribe button below, help the channel out, and stay tuned for more updates all winter long. We're gonna be hitting Lake Erie Metro Park, Bolles Harbor, and Sterling State Park today. So we're gonna go see what these docks look like and see what we can get the boats in. Hey, what's up guys? Out here at Bolles Harbor, just checking the docks. Looks like we got 2 in so far, and the rest will be coming soon. But the canal is wide open. Got about 4 boats here. One other boat with 4 guys just left, so they're rolling in. This is Bolles Harbor, Monroe, Michigan. Hey, what's up guys? Out here at Sterling State Park now, just down the road from Bolles Harbor. I'm just gonna go check out the docks. We got, looks like we got 2 in, so let's go check them out. Hey, what's up guys? Out here at Sterling State Park and Monroe, Michigan. We got 2 docks over here in, with a couple more probably going in next week. But the canal looks like it's pretty clear. We got about 8 boats here. 1 guy just left. Beautiful day. Hey, what's up guys? We are at our final stop, and it is Lake Erie Metro Park. I decided to throw a couple lines on the water while I was here. Might as well. But there's a couple people on the launch. I'll wait till they get off right now. But we got 2 docks in over here as well. So that makes 2 docks in at Bolles, Sterling State Park, and Lake Erie Metro Park. So docks are getting in. People are out here fishing. There's probably about 6 or 7 boats left. There was about 12 when I got here. But yeah, it's that time of year. Get your boats ready. Alright guys, just finishing up here at the Lake Erie Metro Park. Put a few lines in the water. Caught a couple perch. Nothing too crazy, but just want to show you guys the docks now that everyone's gone. Got 2 in here. And everything's wide open. Time to get the boats out. Alright guys, just finished up here at Lake Erie Metro Park. Thanks for tuning in. Again, we hit Bolles Harbor. 2 docks in there. We had Sterling State Park. We had 2 docks in over there. And then we also had 2 docks in here at Lake Erie Metro Park. So got a couple lines in the water. Had some good chats with the guys here, and just had a pretty good time. So hopefully you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe below, and we'll see you next time.